So hello, how are you? Hope you fine. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to see your Discord password when you forgot it or reset your Discord password. So you can do it for a different way. So if you go to your setting, then you can don't able to see your password, you only change your password. So how to see your password actually? To do it you can use two different method. First method is go to your this icon and open your setting, browser setting. It's actually I'm using the Chrome browser, Firefox and Microsoft Edge will be a same method. And then go to your auto field and password, and then you need to go your Google password manager, press on it, and then you can see your Discord available here. If you save your password here, press on Discord, and then once you press on this icon, icon, then you can see your current Discord password. So if this option don't available in your browser, so you can use different way. You can use it from your mobile also. Go to your Gmail and go to your manage your Google account, press on it, and then from here you need to press on security, press on security option and scroll down, and then you can see the password manager. You have to press on password manager, press on it, and then you can see the Discord option. So press on Discord and verify it with your current password. Then once you press on this icon, you can see your current Discord password. So this is how you can easily recover your Discord password actually. So if video helpful, please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. If this method working or not, please tell us. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Have a good day.